बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम। अस्सलामु अलैकुम वरहमतुल्लाहि वबरकातुहू। वेलकम टू द चैनल सालिया जोन। डियर ऑडियंस, अगर आप इस चैनल पर नए हैं तो वीडियो की जानिब बढ़ने से पहले चैनल को लाजमी सब्सक्राइब कीजिए। शुक्रिया। Here is a short anti-drug speech. Dear audience, drug abuse is a serious issue that affects not only individuals but also their loved ones and communities. It can lead to addiction, health problems, and even death. Let's work together to create a drug free world where we can live healthy and fulfilling lives. Dear audience, say no to drugs and yes to a brighter future. You are the future leaders, innovators, and game changers. Don't let drugs hold you back from achieving your dreams. Ladies and gentlemen, you have the power to make a difference, spread awareness, support those struggling with addiction, and make healthy choices. Dear audience, together we can create a world where drug abuse is a thing of the past. Let's rise up and build a better tomorrow, free from the grip of drugs. Dear audience, feel free to modify it according to your needs. Thanks for watching. Please like and share my video and subscribe my channel for more videos. Thank you. Allah Hafiz.